Hello everybody, this is show and tell time. Right, this is the steering rack for the car, and it is within the 4-foot width, so that's just not a problem. It's a manual steering rack, and it's from a Rover something. Only 25 quid, so I'm quite pleased with that, because the scrappy wanted 40 quid, and I found these refurbished ones on eBay, so yeah, very pleased with that. T-Man, I'll be picking your brains later on different aspects of building this. I hope I don't make a nuisance of myself. Right, now I'm going to turn around for this. Right, now for those of you who are new to my channel and that haven't seen the appropriate video or videos, as I think 3 or 4 videos on this motor, or this type of motor. It's a washing machine motor and runs beautifully on DC because it's a universal motor. Now, when I first proposed this, a lot of people, I won't mention their names, but a lot of people said, oh, you'll need 500 miles of mains cable, you'll need loads of car batteries that'll never move. And then my friend Willem in Holland, he put up a video where he's literally parcel taped and hot glued one of these to his bike, just a contact drive on his tyre, and he was going up a hill running off remote control LiPo batteries. So I asked him if I could borrow the video. He'd keep the monetization, of course, but I wanted to use the video, and he said, yeah, no probs. So I put it up and retitled it. It's called Vindicated, if you want to go and have a look. Man, was I vindicated. And all the naysayers came back, wow, didn't realise they were that powerful. By the way, he's now got 2 on his push bike. And he goes like a bat out of hell. Right, so I haven't got a number of the same RPM motors, because I want to keep all the same so the characteristics are virtually the same, and I don't have one doing more than the other. So I should be stripping down some more washing machines from now on until I've got 8 of these that are all the same. It's going to take a fair few washing machines, I know, but we'll get there. Also, this motor is very easy to maintain. This one you'll see has got bolts, not the rivet that normally comes with them. And the reason that it's got bolts is because I took it apart and I threw everything in the bath, scrubbed it off, scrubbed it with washing up liquid, rinsed it all off, put it back together, and she runs beautifully. Greased the bearings again, and yeah, no problem whatsoever. Now these have got a tacho on the back for governing the speed, you know, letting the control board know what speed it needs to be run at. I should be using those at a later date, and you'll see what comes of those. So that's the motors. Yeah, there's going to be 8 of them, 4 on each side of the back. What about all that weight? Oh dear, oh dear. Right, weight. I'm not a strong man. Well, I might be. It's lovely weather. That lump of metal is coming out to make it lighter. And there will just be a plain piece of sheet steel in there to lock onto the drive shaft. It won't be going down. There will be a straight down rather. There will be a universal joint. I think that's what it's called, at the bottom and at the top. Because no doubt several people are going to want to drive this, see what it's like, and obviously they're going to be tall, short, thin, fat, whatever. So I'll need to be able to adjust this, not a lot, but you know, reasonably. But yeah. Oh, by the way, the washing machine motors are free. I get them off Free Cycle. This was a tenner. I did try to get a wooden one ages ago. The guy wanted 20 quid. 20 quid. I offered him 15. This was a car boot. And he said, "No, I can get what I want on eBay." I said, "Well, why don't you put it on eBay?" The following week he was there with the same steering wheel. Now, oh, by the way, that's a Volvo steering wheel. Now, set away so you can get a look at this. Now then, this is a dashboard from a Mondeo. Don't know which one. Now I'm going to be using this as the instrument cluster in here, because I don't want anything fancy. But what I will be doing is hinging it at this end so that I can pull it out an inch or so, just to so I get a full frontal view, so I know what I'm looking at. Actually, I just had a thought. I'll make it pivot in the middle, because that way if I've got a co-pilot and we're going to be doing what I hope to do with the car once it's built, I'll tell you about that in a future video. At the moment somebody else is doing something similar, and I'd like to try and challenge them. Ooh, that should be fun. The end pockets will be cut off because this is longer than 4 feet, and I think it's either side of the pocket. I haven't got my tape measure with me. But anyway, that will be the electrical information panel, you know, current, voltage, charging state, and here will be the speedo and you know, some switches to do different things. I think I've got one for warp drive, one for impulse engines. Oh, yeah, I am a Trekkie. So that's what I've got. I've taken the airbag out, as you can see. Yeah, the airbags are dangerous, so I should be finding someone to take them off my hands ASAP. They're safe, don't panic about that, they're safe. I know they're not going to blow the flat up. Okay. here I've got the pedals for the electric car. Now the accelerator, it mounts that way. And when it's got when it's got everything connected, then obviously it has this to be up here. This will all work correctly. Anyway, accelerator as normal, and brake will be normal. The clutch pedal, oh by the way, this is from our American friend's stick vehicle. The clutch pedal is going to be for a unique function on this car. I'll go into that quite a bit later. A few videos away from that. So, accelerator, brake, and this pedal, the special pedal. The brake pedal has got stop switch already fitted. When I got it, I think this cost me 20 quid, something like that. I can't remember exactly, it might have been 15. I don't really know. And then this will have a special function. It will also have a switch, so that it will be up here, and then when you do that, it will kill part of the system and activate a different part. So there's the pedal assembly, easy to fit. You've got 4 mountings here which will come up from the floor obviously, and then there will be a cross member for that to hook to. But it's not that heavy, so it doesn't need anything substantial. Yes, I know by the time I put my foot down on the pedals and all the torques involved with that. I don't do theory, you ought to know that. I just do what I've always been taught. Get an idea, build it. If it works, magic. If it don't work, find out why and make it work. I mean, I think Elon Musk has got the right idea. If you want to work for me, don't bring me bits of paper that says you can do it. I want to see that you can do it. Hell of a difference. You could say those two ideas where everybody demands you have bits of paper to show that you can do it, and Elon Musk's idea of show me what you can do and I'll tell you if you've got a job or not. They're from one side of the universe to the other apart, and I've always gone with the Elon Musk idea because that's the way I was taught. Okay, so we'll get on with the next bit. I would really appreciate it if those who haven't subscribed would click on the subscribe button and then the bell icon next to it, so you get notified when I put up a video. And also, would you mind clicking either of the like or dislike buttons? I'm not bothered which. It just means that you've watched the video and think it's a load of rubbish if it's a thumbs down, and if you liked it, it'd be a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching. I look forward to seeing you again soon.